Yeah, Paul King Plumbing. We service the Adelaide Hills and a bit of the lower part of Adelaide. Mainly for our work, domestic stuff. Poly water services in ground, varying from small domestic blocks to quarter acre, 5 acre properties. So varying from 20 metres to 150 metres, that sort of thing, and just external services around houses. We use a push fit fitting that we've been buying for probably 7 or 8 years, maybe longer. When they first came on the market, we were very impressed with how, not so much speed, but how reliable they were when you use them, and then you put them together. And if they're put together right, you just don't get leaks. Nothing undoes itself or anything like that. So we quickly recognised the value in that, because everything's about time these days. So you might pay a little bit more for the fitting, but it's a more reliable job. You don't get callbacks on it and stuff like that. So we recognise that. We did a repair on a section with a couple of T's in Harndorf recently, and we've used it on an extension of a water service on a domestic property in Mount Barker, where they wanted to run some extra taps around the perimeter of the property. Use them with great success. I like them because compared to the competitor, the main push fit competitor, they are a lot easier to use, to put together. Myself getting older, shoulders aren't as strong, and sometimes with the competitors one you really got to push, and even then I can't get them in unless you're in the perfect world, where the Philmac things, they go together pretty well. There's very little force required to engage them, and so you don't have to chamfer the ends of them. You just cut them with the shears, and they just go in. So they're, from that point of view, very easy to use, reliable. It's easier to disassemble than the competitor. So with the competitor, you've got to get tools out, and they've got a special tool, but you don't really need that. But you've got to disassemble it, cut it. You can't push it back the way it went on. You've got to cut the pipe to remove it. Where the Philmac stuff, you can pull it apart with your hands, disassemble, redo whatever you got to do, and so again, simpler. The small opportunities we've had to test them, brilliant. Like, I keep stock on the shelves of the competitors' stuff, so I know that I've got it when I need it, and that will just diminish, and we'll have the Philmac stuff on the shelf. It's just going to be easier. So, but as soon as we'll be using them, basically as soon as they're on the market. Yeah.